Marine Propulsion Systems, Inc., or TMPS as we are known by our clients, is a world-renowned diesel engine service, sales, and engineering firm with facilities located on the west and east coasts of the United States. We are a full-service provider with extensive experience in the operation and maintenance of diesel engines and related systems. Our service is enhanced through the representation of core companies with high-quality products and unsurpassed reputation for customer service. By combining these products and services under one roof, a greater integration is achieved for the benefit of the customer. This also provides the customer with the important one-stop shopping concept with ease of access and well-defined responsibilities. Since 1985, TMPS has supported ship owners and builders, offshore operators, power plants, mechanical industries, and engine manufacturers all over the world. At TMPS, we utilize our unsurpassed expertise in order to keep our customers' investments 100% productive during their operational life.